If you want to vertically align text in Squarespace, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Whether you're adjusting a heading, a paragraph, or any text block on your page, getting the alignment right can make your layout look much cleaner and more professional. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick Squarespace tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to Squarespace and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on Website. This is where all of your site pages are managed. Next, click on Pages so you can see the list of pages currently on your website. From there, choose the page you want to edit. It might be your home page, an about page, a landing page, or any other page where you want the text to sit in a better position. After selecting the page, click Edit in the top left corner. This opens the page editor and lets you make changes directly to the layout. Now locate the text block you want to align. Click directly on that text block so it becomes active. Once the text block is selected, look for the arrow icon under Align. This is the control you'll use to adjust the vertical alignment. Click that arrow icon and then choose the alignment option that fits your design. Depending on your layout, this can help move the text into a better visual position so it lines up properly with the rest of your content. If your text is inside a section, spacer, or column layout, you may need to test the alignment until it looks exactly right. The key is to preview the changes and make sure the text appears balanced on the page. Once you're happy with the result, click Save, and then preview the page to confirm everything looks the way you want. That's really all there is to it. By following these steps, you can vertically align text in Squarespace without needing any complicated custom code. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Squarespace how-to guide.